Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to encrypt your emails in Outlook. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Outlook. We're on outlook.live.com and we're going to go and look for the new button on the top left hand side. This will allow you to create a new mail. So what we want to do here is we want to jump into apps. Okay, and you want to go and click on get add-ins. You'll have this window pop up, and what we're looking for is an app, a third-party app that can encrypt our emails. So we're going to go up here and we are going to just type in encrypt, and we are going to use this send secure. Okay, it's very simple to use. Once you click on add, you'll add it, close this window, and now you'll just have to refresh. I've already added it, so you'll refresh this page, and now we want to do your email. We can either do it here or we can use the pop-out window. So let's just open this in a new window, and you'll go to insert on the top and you'll see apps. You're going to click on apps. You'll see send secure. Once you click on it, and their description literally is add encryption onto your emails with one single click. So you click on it, and now it says send secure is working on your encrypt request. This email is now encrypted. It's that easy. I hope this was helpful.